Hello! Welcome to our instructional video showing you how to fit, calibrate and use Pathfinder. Pathfinder is intended to help overcome freezing of gait and allow you to walk with confidence. When you open the Pathfinder box, you will see the user guide. Underneath this, you will see the main units, the charging cables and the wall plug. Remove the units from the packaging. You will see that they are attached to rubber straps which should be placed around your shoes. Fit Pathfinder to the shoe like this. First, you should place the toe of the shoe into the front of the strap. Then, pull the strap around the heel of the shoe. Make sure you place each unit on the correct foot as labelled. The strap should fit snugly on your shoe. If the straps do not fit closely or are not the right size, please contact us. Once Pathfinder is fit onto your shoe correctly, press the button on the top. The button should have a green light indicating the unit is switched on. The laser light will come on shortly afterwards. Do not shine the laser light anywhere but the floor. In particular, avoid shining lasers at faces or eyes. Once the laser light is on, you can calibrate Pathfinder. To do so, you can rotate the unit on its base in all directions. You can also rotate the dial on the front of the unit to adjust the line angle. The ideal position for the laser line projection is at right angles in front of the opposing foot. The laser provides a line over which you should aim to step. You can adjust the line to suit your way of walking. When the light on the button of Pathfinder turns red, this means the unit has low battery. In order to charge it, you must remove the charging cable and plug from the box. Remove the rubber bung from the charging port at the back of the unit and insert the round end of the cable. Then, insert the USB end of the cable into the base of the wall plug. The wall plug can take 2 USB cables, so you can charge both left and right units simultaneously. Insert the plug into the wall. Leave them charging until the lights turn green. They are then fully charged again and ready for use. If you have any further questions about Pathfinder, please contact us via our website, by email or by phone.